RoboHelp's all-new search engine algorithm brings quick results and a better search experience to your readers. You can customize the way you want search to work from the Output preset panel. Select the Google-like search context, autocomplete, and autocorrecting options. Show results from the index and glossary definition text. Generate an XML sitemap for better Google search results. You can also exclude certain file types from search if you prefer. Here's an example of multiple synonyms. Note the search term is graphic, but results also include synonyms for snapshot and photo. The synonym is also highlighted. Highlighting can also be turned off if the user prefers. Fuzzy logic also helps if search terms are misspelled. And now there's an option to have glossary definitions included in the search results. The author can customize search context messages topic by topic. Best-in-class search experience. It's RoboHelp reimagined.